Hey guys, welcome to my channel Factory, and today in this video, as you have seen the title and thumbnail, we'll be talking about some fascinating facts about yoga. Yoga has been around for thousands of years and has evolved into different styles and forms. So let's dive into some fascinating facts that you may not have known before. Fact number 1. Yoga is a Sanskrit word. Did you know that the word yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yuj? This word means to unite or to join, which is a perfect description of what yoga aims to do: unite the body, mind, and the spirit. Yoga is not just a physical practice but also a mental and spiritual one that aims to bring balance and harmony into our lives. Fact number 2. Yoga has many health benefits. As we all know, it's no secret that yoga has many health benefits, both physical and mental. Regular practice of yoga has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve flexibility and balance, boost immunity, and even alleviate chronic pain. Yoga is also great for building strength and muscle tone and can be a low impact way to exercise as well. Fact number 3. Yoga has many different styles. Yoga has evolved over the years, and today there are many different styles and forms of yoga. Some of the most popular styles include Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, Vikrama, and Kundalini Yoga. Each style has its own unique characteristic benefits, and so it's important to find the style that works the best for you. Fact number 4. Yoga is more than just physical postures. While many people think of yoga as a series of physical postures, there is actually more to it than that. Yoga also incorporates breathing techniques, meditation, and philosophical teachings as well. The physical postures or asanas are just one part of the practice. Fact number 5. Yoga has a long and rich history. Yoga has been around for thousands of years and has a rich history and tradition. The earliest known mention of yoga was in the Rig Veda, an ancient Indian text that dates back 1500 BC. Over the years, yoga has evolved and adapted, but its core principles remain the same. Fact number 6. Yoga can improve your sleep. If you are struggling to get a good night's sleep, yoga may be able to help you. Research has shown that practicing yoga regularly can improve the quality and quantity of your sleep. Certain yoga poses such as forward folds and restorative poses can help calm your mind and relax your body, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Fact number 7. Yoga can boost your brain power. In addition to its physical and mental health benefits, yoga can also help boost your brain power. Studies have shown that practicing yoga can improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, concentration, and so on. This may be due in part to the fact that yoga reduces stress and anxiety, which can have negative impact on brain function. So yes guys, these were 7 amazing facts about yoga. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.